Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. On the afternoon of Monday, 14th August, the Salesian province of Vietnam gathered at Don Bosco Parish Bath Haunt in Ho Chi Minh City for the solemn mass, during which the first professions of 17 young Salesians were celebrated, 3 of whom came from the Australia Pacific Province AUL. The main celebrant was Father Barnabas Le An Pong, VIE Provincial, together with the Superior of the AUL Province and the Superior of the CIN Province. The ceremony took place in an atmosphere of joy and communion and was attended by many faithful friends and family members. Don Bosco on 16th August at the Marian Shrine in Haverstraw. The vows of the 2 young men were received by Father Tran Dant Kong Dominic, Superior of the Province of St. Philip the Apostle in the Eastern United States and Canada. The Mass was presided over by Father Taylor's uncle, Bishop Anthony Basil Taylor, Bishop of Little Rock. In his homily, Father Tran then recalled that everything we have and are comes from God, and that the Salesians' vocation is to follow Jesus and share his love with all, especially the young. From 14 to 17th August in Baco, some 30 young leaders aged between 15 and 25 from Salesian works in Romania and Moldavia gathered to plan together the formation processes for the Friends of Dominic Savio, ADS in Italian. Accompanied and guided by the Salesians in charge of the oratories, they were involved through moments of reflection, formation and sharing, planning the local processes for the youngest ones, sharing ideas, intentions and steps to be taken looking to St. Dominic Savio and Don Bosco. The young people's vitality showed that it is possible to work together and collaborate with the Salesians in the great and demanding work of education towards the poorest young people. Don Bosco Technical School, DBTS, Gabuto, is striving to build partnerships with industry and ensure that its students who have completed their training are gainfully employed. A presentation program was held on the 11th August that involved Total Energy and DBTS. Present for the occasion were Total Energy's personnel Jean-Marc Noire, Maria Alex Docknin, together with Mr. Martin Dai, Principal, Father Ambrose Pereira, Spiritual Moderator, Brother Philip Wang, Administrator, staff and students. Early in June, Don Bosco Technical School entered into a Memorandum of Understanding with Total Energies EPPNG as operator of the Papua LNG project to receive assistance through a scholarship program. The program was rolled out last month with scholarships available to students studying technical trades at DBTS, and the event was on the 11th August was an opportunity for the team at TEPPNG to meet the 90 successful scholarship recipients. On the day commemorating Don Bosco's birthday, 16th August, the opening ceremony was held for the new Salesian Historical Archives in Chile at the Salesian Educational Center in Almeida. Also present for the occasion was Father Carlo Lira, Superior of the Salesian Province of Chile, who expressed his joy at the inauguration of this space destined to collect the history of the Salesian congregation in the country. The opening ceremony was attended by Father Jose Toledo, Provincial Economer in Chile, Sister Ximena Oyarzo, Provincial of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians Chile, Daniela Gonzalez, Head of the Administrative Unit of the National Cultural Heritage Service, Walter Oriarce, Rector of the Salesian Educational Center of Almeida, and representatives of the Museo Maggio Rino Borgatello, Punta Arenas and the Catholic University Silva Henrique. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.